Hi guys, Busayo talks here again. April 25th was World Malaria Day, and that is why I'm in the street of oworoshoki to make awareness and to assess people's knowledge on malaria. Have you ever heard of malaria before?
Who doesn't have malaria? It's a rampant illness everywhere. Malaria is a common sickness. It's a general sickness that's easily contacted from mosquito or water.
Yes, I have malaria, but even now I'm treating malaria.
Wow.
Yes.
Have you had it?
Yes. I've heard of malaria before.
Have you had the idea?
Yes. Compulsory ni kò sẹ́ni tó lè máa sọ pé òun ò ní malaria. Kò sí ẹni tó máa pé kò sí òun ò ní malaria. Irọ́ ló wà ní.
Yes, I have had it.
Do you remember the last time you had malaria?
Well,
For the first medication known as first aid in treating malaria before going to the hospital, maybe when you feel headache, you take Panadol extra. Like me now, Panadol or paracetamol does not work for me. What that works for me is Panadol extra. Kódà mo ṣe wáyé mo gba drip mo gba any post mo wọn àkójọ kan fẹ́ admit mi ní accept but wọn treat mi nílé. Go for medical lab. The test comes out positive. They will give you treatment, injections or drugs.
So you mean that every time you have malaria, you go for test?
It's not every time, but you know you usually buy drugs from the chemist.
the advice was that you should go to hospital after the test so they can be able to know if truly you have malaria.
Malaria or not, or something else.
Actually, because I'm meeting HMO, so I have to.
Okay.
So that
I had some anti-malaria drugs, such as should I mention names?
You can mention it.
Okay, Kialaxin.
When I have malaria, I go to pharmacy. I say, give me donuts, give me amoxicillin. I'll come home. I will take the two malaria the same day. I will be okay. I will be fine.
Kí lẹ rò pé ó fa malaria tẹ́lẹ̀?
Ṣé kò sí dust ń fa malaria ni? Ẹ mọ̀ pé kò sí ẹlòmíì wà ara ẹ̀ ò gba dust. Any small dust ló wà ní malaria. Ẹ̀fọn náà dẹ̀ ń jẹ. Ẹ̀fọn ẹlòmíì wà ẹyọ kan ò gbọdọ̀ jẹ báyìí ó máa ní malaria.
Bad environment, bad water, and where we lay our head, like our homes must be clean always.
Ẹ̀fọn náà ń fa malaria. My sister, I don't know.
Lack of mosquito bites. That's the main thing. Yeah, mosquito bites.
The thing that can trigger malaria as we speak now is also stress. Stress can trigger it. And when you have too much stress, it will make you to start feeling headache, body pains, not resting enough. From there, everything will come up.
Like sometimes water that have stayed in a particular place for a very long time, it tends to attract mosquito, and then that's that. Do you use mosquito net at all?
I feel the house.
Yeah, it's okay.
The house one is.
You know that sometimes you have symptoms of malaria and it's not malaria, because there are some other sicknesses that have that same symptoms, and maybe it's even typhoid and you are treating malaria. How do you think you can prevent malaria?
Prevent it like by using mosquito net. Yeah, mosquito net mostly, and preventing stagnant water.
Tó bá ti di time, tó bá ti prolapse, I'm a fleet.
Okay.
Tó bá ti fleet. A ti mọ̀ pé machinette kan èèyàn máa reduce that.
Like what I feel the best way to prevent mosquito bites is try as much as possible to always close your doors and close your windows once it is the evening time. When you know that okay, this is the time when mosquitoes will start coming in, close this door, close these windows. If you have insecticides, you can spray insecticide, stay out of the room for like an hour or two, diffuse the room, and then you can.
Do you think malaria kills, like people die from malaria? The one that died.
I've heard of some of it. I never heard of somebody that died with it.
Know that people die.
You're not thinking in a very comfortable way. You're not washing your clothes well. You're not brushing well. You're not bathing well. Then we really cause like for malaria can turn to another thing.
And that, but you don't think people can actually die from malaria?
No, I don't think so.
I've never experienced. I've never seen somebody.
And you don't think people can die like malaria now?
Well, it's possible, except maybe they have this malaria, what they call it, like typhoid or something like that.
That's very nice.
But I've no hear anybody or heard that somebody died with malaria. So.
I hear that it kills.
Well, do you know anybody that died of malaria?
I have not. Wọ́n máa ń sọ pé malaria pa ẹlòmíì, but mi ì tí ì rí rí.
Malaria might actually pa àwọn èèyàn, and àwọn èèyàn púpọ̀ ní malaria. Every day, about like 1,200 people every day.
I used to hear it, but I did not see it.
It can, but if we are ignorant of malaria, it will result to typhoid, and from there, anything can happen. Everybody pray for
Thank you very much. But I would like to tell you that malaria actually kills, like every day, about 1,200 people die from malaria every day. Especially children that are under 5 years, they actually die from malaria. 600,000 cases of malaria. I mean, people dying from malaria every year. Like in 2023, million people died of malaria. I mean, after malaria, and about 500,000 plus have died already of malaria. In Nigeria, a lot of people do not take malaria as a serious case, so they just treat it like a normal headache. But do you know that in 2023, 263 million cases of malaria was recorded, 597 deaths was recorded, and 76% of the people that died are children under 5 years. Over half of the deaths occurred in 4 countries, and Nigeria topped the list. And that is why we must take malaria very seriously.